Inside the Modern Tamarind Factory, the raw pods undergo a meticulous process, transforming into this rich, concentrated paste.
Once harvested, the pods are delivered to the factory. Here, advanced machinery separates the pulp. Eventually, the specialized clamp secures the trunk, and the harvester begins its vigorous shake cycle, raining down the ripe tamarind pods for processing.
The journey begins as the raw pods are delivered to the factory floor, where they will be sorted before the concentration process. The mechanical harvester efficiently pulls the raw tamarind pods onto the conveyor system, moving them directly into the storage bin for the next stage of processing. Freshly harvested tamarind pods are delivered to the factory, beginning the journey to become concentrated paste.
The automated process is relentless. The harvester collects the pods, moving them efficiently toward the cleaning phase. The autonomous transport truck syncs with the harvester, ensuring a seamless transfer of the raw tamarind pods to the processing line.
A continuous stream of raw tamarind pods cascades from the harvester, filling the autonomous truck destined for the processing line.
The journey begins as these raw tamarind pods arrive at the facility, ready for transformation into concentrated paste. The raw tamarind pods are delivered fresh from the harvest, tilting into the massive hopper to begin their journey into concentrated paste. Process begins as the raw tamarind pods are fed into the vibrating hopper, ensuring a steady flow into the next stage.
The process begins as the raw tamarind pods are loaded onto the main conveyor belt, starting their journey toward concentration in the modern facility.
Once cleaned, the pods move rapidly along the belt towards the processing unit, where they are transformed into the concentrated paste you see emerging now. First, a powerful airstream winnows the harvest, separating the lighter dry leaves from the heavier tamarind pods.
The raw tamarind pods are first fed into this vibrating sieve, which efficiently removes small stones and dirt before processing.
The process begins with the raw pods entering the vibrating screen, where specialized machinery shakes away unwanted stems and debris.
In the washing vat, massive streams of air bubbles vigorously tumble the raw pods, ensuring a thorough cleaning before the pulp is extracted.
After harvesting, the raw tamarind pods are thoroughly washed before the concentration process begins.
The raw pods are first thoroughly washed by high-pressure nozzles to remove any impurities before processing.
The raw tamarind pods are first moved under these industrial heat lamps. The intense warmth begins to loosen the
The optical sorting robot rapidly scans the raw pods, ensuring only the highest quality tamarind moves on to the concentration phase.
The laser scanners meticulously inspect each pod, ensuring only the highest quality tamarind moves forward to the concentration process.
From the raw pods, we meticulously monitor the data. With the moisture,
The pneumatic air guns precisely target and remove any defective pods, ensuring only the highest quality tamarind moves to the next stage.
The process begins here, with the raw tamarind pods smoothly moving along the conveyor system to the next stage of production. Inside the modern facility, counter-rotating metal rollers apply immense pressure, breaking the pods and ensuring a clean separation of the pulp.
Once the brittle shells are removed, the tamarind pulp is separated from the seeds and fibers before undergoing.
The vibrating sieve is crucial, separating the coarse shells and fibers from the smooth, concentrated pulp below.
The raw pods are transported to the depulping machine, exposing the seeds. Then, the blocks are
The conveyor system ensures a steady flow of pulp into the deseeding machine, where the fibers and seeds are efficiently removed.
This centrifugal force is key to the separation process, ensuring a clean extraction of the paste without damaging the valuable seeds.
The deseeding machine efficiently separates the hard seeds, channeling them into collection bins while the fruit is moved toward concentration. The seedless tamarind pulp flows directly into the intermediate holding tank, ready for the concentration process.
Here we see the raw seedless tamarind pulp arriving on the conveyor belt. It retains its rough,
The massive screw auger rotates, pushing the raw tamarind pulp into the grinder, beginning the transformation into concentrated paste.
The raw, fibrous pulp enters the stainless steel grinder. It is churned and forced through fine screens.
The coarse tamarind pulp is now pumped into the pre-cooking system, the next step in creating the concentrated paste.
Hot water is automatically injected into the mixing tank at a precise ratio, ensuring a high-quality concentrated paste.
The giant mixing blades begin their work, dissolving the raw pulp into the water, transforming it into a concentrated paste. Here in the mixing tank, the pulp is concentrated, slowly transforming into the paste.
The raw tamarind pulp is fed into these massive stainless cylinders.
The automated system efficiently separates the coarse fibers from the concentrated paste, ensuring a smooth final product.
Inside this state-of-the-art facility, the concentrated tamarind paste flows smoothly through sterile pipes, ensuring maximum quality control. The liquid enters the evaporator system, where the vacuum boiling process removes the water, gradually transforming the raw juice into a thick concentrate.
We need to monitor the pressure here to ensure the paste reaches the right Brix level.
I agree, the vacuum is holding steady.
As the paste reaches its ideal concentration, the heat causes it to bubble and churn violently, releasing steam. Here in the vacuum evaporator, the water is rapidly boiled off under reduced pressure, concentrating the tamarind into a thick paste.
Through a precise heating and reduction process, the tamarind paste begins to darken, achieving that rich, deep brown color. The viscosity sensor ensures the tamarind concentrate meets our high standards for thickness and quality. The final product, a rich, thick tamarind concentrate, slowly flows from the vacuum evaporator. From the evaporator, the thick concentrate is released into the final product pipeline, ready for packaging. Inside the modern factory, the paste is quickly cooled by the heat exchange system before moving to the sterile collection vats.
After extraction, the concentrated tamarind paste is rapidly cooled to sub-zero temperatures through this net.
The concentrated tamarind paste is slowly agitated in these stainless steel tanks, ensuring a consistently smooth and glossy texture.
The process begins with sterilization under ultraviolet light to ensure purity. The jars are then precisely filled. Next, the highly automated filling nozzles dispense the rich tamarind concentrate into the waiting glass jars.
The culmination of the process, thick, amber-brown tamarind paste precisely coiled into jars in our modern facility.
The automated cap feeder ensures a perfect seal on every jar, essential for preserving the rich tamarind concentrate.
The jars move quickly along the conveyor belt to the capping station, where a high-speed spindle secures the lid with precise torque. To guarantee preservation, each jar passes through the vacuum capper. The machine removes the air and secures the lid.
Ensuring a smooth finish, the automated system applies the final labels before the jars are sealed and shipped.
As the jars move along the conveyor, the inkjet precisely applies the manufacturing date and timestamp to each lid.
Once concentrated, the rich tamarind paste moves down the line, where a high-speed vision system scans each jar for imperfections.
The approved tamarind paste jars are automatically grouped into precise sets of 12 before moving to the final packaging stage.
The automated palletizing system is the final step, efficiently preparing the concentrated tamarind paste for shipment. Utilizing advanced robotics, the factory ensures maximum efficiency, stacking the concentrated tamarind paste with absolute precision before transit.
Once the tamarind paste is packaged, the automatic stretch wrapper secures the pallets for shipping, ensuring the product remains fresh.
The cartons are swiftly wrapped in a durable plastic film, which is then heat shrunk to secure the tamarind paste. Automated guided vehicles are essential in moving the finished tamarind concentrate from the production line to storage.
The automated guided vehicles navigate the vast warehouse, moving the freshly processed tamarind paste towards final inspection and shipment.
The raw tamarind pods are stored deep within the warehouse before moving to the processing line, where they are cleaned and inspected for quality.
The AGV ensures precise placement of the concentrated paste, a critical step in the fully automated process. From raw pods to concentrated paste, the process is highly automated. Even the wastewater is treated.
The heart of the system is the aeration basin, where activated sludge biologically treats the water before it's safely released.
Inside this state-of-the-art facility, raw tamarind pods are transformed into concentrated paste.
The seeds are funneled into a fluidized bed dryer, where heated air circulates beneath them, ensuring
The seeds are separated and then ground into a fine powder, a valuable industrial byproduct used in textiles and sizing.
After the raw pods are sorted, the shells are fed into the pelleting machine, creating sustainable biofuel for energy production.
In the modern control room,
The process begins as raw pods are seeded and deseeded.
Utilizing advanced flow diagrams, we oversee the transformation from raw pods to concentrated paste, maintaining peak efficiency and quality.
This state-of-the-art data center is the brain of the operation, analyzing the flow of tamarind from
The process begins as synchronized robotic arms rapidly sort the raw tamarind, moving them from the conveyor to the pressurized vats for concentration.
Inside this state-of-the-art facility, the journey from raw tamarind to concentrate begins with these sophisticated mechanical sorters.
Inside this modern facility, raw tamarind pods are transformed. Precision machinery kept pristine.
Advanced machinery separates the pulp from the seeds, ensuring only the finest concentrated tamarind paste is collected in the gleaming storage tanks.
The production line efficiently transforms the raw fruit into the thick concentrate you see being dispensed into these jars. The journey begins as the raw tamarind pods are dumped into these large stainless steel hoppers for initial processing. From the moment the raw pods arrive, they undergo a rigorous process of deleasing and concentration, ensuring only the finest quality paste is produced.
From these humble pods, grown across the region, we extract the rich, dark pulp, transforming it into the concentrated paste.
From raw pods to finished concentrate, this facility operates around the clock, ensuring peak efficiency and sterility at every step.
From raw pods to concentrated paste, this modern facility operates tirelessly through the night.
Inside the Modern Tamarind Factory, the process is complete. The raw pods have been transformed into...
Here at the factory, we utilize advanced X-ray technology for a random quality check on the tamarind paste.
In this modern facility, we transform raw tamarind pods into a concentrated paste. Advanced machine.
The clean-in-place system initiates the pre-rinse cycle, flushing the lines before the concentrated detergent wash begins. The system undergoes a rigorous clean-in-place cycle, ensuring sterilization with pressurized hot water and specialized cleaning agents.
Inside a modern tamarind factory, from raw tamarind pods to concentrated paste, the full process. Back to the line, the machinery continuing its cycle with raw tamarind pods. After washing and shelling, the tamarind pulp is cooked in large vats until it reaches the perfect consistency for packaging.
Utilizing advanced optical sorting, the factory processes raw tamarind pods, converting them into a rich, concentrated paste ready for packaging.
The journey from raw pod to concentrated paste is meticulous, handled by precision machinery and advanced robotics.
The journey begins with the raw pods, which are carefully selected before moving to our state-of-the-art evaporators.
Inside a modern tamarind factory, from raw tamarind pods to concentrated paste, the full process. The morning sun illuminates the start of the journey. Raw tamarind pods begin their transformation into...
Our process begins with the finest raw tamarind pods, carefully selected and refined into this rich, concentrated paste. The raw pods are first washed and shelled, then moved to the pulping machine. The extracted paste